When I saw these viral soft cute marshmallows that are only made from jelly and sugar, I got so excited that I got all the jelly flavors. These are all the things you need to make these. I mean, look at this, so cute. I wanna say these were so much fun to make, like every step is getting more fun and the last step is super satisfying. So wait for that. Add 1 pack of jello, then 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/3 cup of boiling water, and mix until you get this consistency. Then pour it into some funnel or something like that. Then let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes out of the fridge. Okay, let's prepare our cornstarch. Put it in a big deep plate and do this like a Zen garden. I want them to be like heart shapes, but it was a failure. So balls it is. After molding, 5 to 10 minutes in the fridge until they are not runny anymore. And last step, that is my favorite. Look at these cuties, it's so satisfying. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna make these again for sure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe, and if you tried it, let me know the results in the comments. Thank you, bye.